Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some amazing ideas of different wall light switch decorations that you can create different ideas from different hand painting crafts. You can create these ideas yourself by creating some unique and craft ideas. You can use some simple or colorful craft ideas. You can decorate your switchboards or your rooms by these crafts. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection and enjoy this video. In this video, I bring some amazing and creative collection of different wall light switch decorations that you can create these unique and creative craft ideas to decorate your different switchboards by creating these sort of painting ideas or using different stickers. You can create these sort of craft ideas whether you want to surprise your kids or decorating their room with these sort of creative craft ideas. But you can use these crafts to decorate your switchboards and teaching your kids a lesson that they can stay away from these switchboards. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can pick up any of these ideas to decorate your rooms by creating these sort of craft ideas or by using these craft ideas to make your house unique and different from every corner and every aspect. You can create these ideas. You can pick up any of these ideas whether you can create different cartoon characters to create on these switchboards or different birds or fairies can be created on these switchboards. You can also create different characters to teach your kids and by creating these ideas to save electricity and different other ideas. I hope you will love this collection and enjoy this video. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas and collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in the comment section. I hope you will love this collection. If you like it, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest and uniquely designed ideas for you. So viewers, keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.